Hey there. Okay, so it's Maggie. We're gonna try, or I'm gonna try, if you watching me, hopefully not laughing at me, to put up this foam insulation stuff on the back of my garage door. I tried it before, and the insulation I had gotten was too fat. So now I'm thinking this might be too skinny, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, so the next thing is I'm gonna try to close the door. Okay, so I got it like halfway down, so it's a decent height. Okay, so I think the first thing I gotta do is bring you closer to me. Okay, so I need it to, I need to measure it. If you were a tape measure, where would I put you? Really? Yes, really. Okay, so let's do this like if we didn't have a tape measure. I do have all those measuring things up there, but anyway. Okay, so I cut it there. Okay, so what I do is I just nip the line or for the space, because we're gonna do that space right there. Okay. And I'm gonna take straight edge, whatever this is called, make it straight. Okay. Try to do this without cutting your fingers off. And by the way, don't make a big mess. Now, do you remember which side was which? I don't. Try to get my adult son, who's staying with us right now, while he gets the GI Bill in order, to come out here and help me. You laughed at me about setting up the ring camera and the microphone, and then walked away. So I'm taking that as a no. trim it a little bit more. I think I'm gonna have to trim it a little bit more. Did I mention this is gonna make a big mess? Okay, I just want to get a couple panels done so I can show you what it's going to look like. I'm about ready to punch something, just so you know. Being stupid. Yeah, I got two done. They're not working that great though. It looks pretty stupid. Maybe it'll look better when I got it all done. I'm going to do one of the long ones. Okay. Okay, so next I'm going to put the garage door down, put the garage door back up, put the garage door down, and see if the garage door opens. Then I'll pause y'all because you don't have to watch it. Okay, so this is it done. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take some duct tape and attach some of the pieces of duct tape that are loose. Most of them fit pretty snugly, but some of them are a little bit loose, a little bit janky because I had to squeeze them in around. So I'm going to do that next, but we got all but one row done out of two panels, and that was like $22. So I'm going to see what this does and how it reacts, and we'll go from there. I got to clean up this mess. I am going to take pictures of the package, though, if I can remember to do that. Here I go. I'm going to do it this way, see if that works. Okay. It's the panel foam DIY insulation kit. It was like $11. And it really is easy to trim and everything. Honestly, I wish I gotten a little bit wider ones, but I figured, I got a fan going because it's Florida in July. But it was $11, and I figured it was worth the experiment. Okay. Here's some close-up. Here's some close-up pictures. As you can see, it doesn't fit the panels exactly, but they're hard to get in. So I got that one last row down there. So that'll be $11 more. But that would make $33, and I did the whole garage door. We'll see if it makes a difference. Okay? Thank you. See y'all later. Oh, if this looks like anywhere near interesting, I should probably turn around. If this looks anywhere near interesting, please subscribe, like, follow. I guess you don't follow on YouTube. You just subscribe and like. Okay, so subscribe and like. Talk to you soon. This is Maggie from Maggie's Memories.